Many of the people that we've worked with over the years feel overwhelmed by the objects and activities in their lives. Many professionals suggest that you begin by identifying things you no longer use or love. Marie Kondo, for one, has been very popular for helping people to get rid of tons and tons of things. And I am down with that, believe me. And I certainly don't disagree that eliminating stuff is an integral part of the decluttering process. But I like to approach that often overwhelming process of determining what items deserve a place in your life by beginning with your treasures. First, identify the things that you absolutely love, those things that you would never, ever in a million years part with. If your house burned down, you would try to grab those things that no matter what happened, you would be taking with you if you were moving, even if you were downsizing. Those are your treasures. You know the ones, those items that make you smile or giggle or create a positive feeling that you might even feel in your body. So either set them aside or identify them in some way. So once you've identified your treasures, then more than likely there's still going to be some stuff there, right? So the next level is to determine what are things that you might not consider treasures, but perhaps they're useful and you do use them, even if only occasionally. But as long as they have no negative feelings. I mean, even if it's useful, if it has negative feelings, out it goes. Let it go to someone who doesn't have those negative attachments. They can just enjoy it. Absolutely. If anything that brings up bad feelings, let it go. So, from this place of clarity about the things that matter the most to you, you can begin to edit your belongings and to declutter those that no longer bring you joy.